Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna do the market analysis on the 22 November 2021 for five top 5 coin market cap crypto. Starting with the Bitcoin, the godfather of crypto. So first gonna do is from the weekly here, the bottom to the top. The price was well defended on 0.5 Fibonacci here. See the participation there. Those who long here should be targeting the 80,000. Going to the daily, let's still at this. I think we should keep this. Yeah. The daily start. So this was the bounce, the weekly bounce here. Since the short setup was failed when price breaching up the 618 or the golden zone of short. It is failed. It's make a new long setup, and it well depended on the 0.5 Fibonacci here on 40,000 K, sorry, 40,000 US dollar, and reach the target on 58,000 dollar. It reached the target and blast off. It make an extension. The price go down to the golden zone of extension. So here it fell. Actually, it fell, and it's showing a weakness even we go up like here, but didn't reach the target. So like we have to do from the algo technical analysis, what we're gonna do next is pull from the latest golden zone that bounce second anchor here, and it's gonna make this area should be the buy zone, the first test. Okay, now I'm gonna explain about this. Since the extension was failed, the long extension was failed, it's gonna make a short setup, which it was traded here and blast off the target. It's gonna keep continue the extension here from here, and reach the target again. Now this is the third extension, which it failed. Since it's breaching the 618, could it be failed or? But I think if we breach the 0.707 here, then I think it's gonna fail. But I think it's not really failed yet, I guess, because the target is confluence with the 0.5 support. So it either is gonna be like this, reaching the next short setup here, or it's just gonna continue up to the next short setup and goes down to the golden zone of long. Okay, so the first short setup it's like this. If this fail, second short setup like this. If it fail, if it's fail, if it's fail like this, then I'm gonna long the retracement here and targeting the 76k. Okay. But on the daily, what I think it should be safe that I'm not gonna taking a short. Not gonna do the short because we still in the uptrend in the daily, in the weekly and the daily. We still on the uptrend. And the next good opportunity to long is in this zone. See the RSI here. I think RSI is gonna make a hidden bullish divergence soon. If we go down, this. So when the price making lower high, RSI lower low, that's a hidden bullish divergence that will make this buy zone strong enough to be buy. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Now from the weekly, that always from the bigger time frame. See the extension here, it was fail. But if we pull from the bottom, it well defended on the 0.618 long, and it breaks the short setup since it's breaching, really breaching here. It's really bullish, breaching the 618 short, and guess what? Where it bounced. You see, when the short setup well, it's gonna be a long shot, a long setup. It's always like that. And it bounced here on the buy zone. Okay, let's go to the daily. The buy zone was well defended here and targeting the 4,500 US dollar, which is success. It's been traded to the target from who those who long here, taking profit here, which gonna make an extension. The first extension was success again, reach the target. The second extension, there's a buyer still here actually, but then it fell. Now when it fell, it's gonna make a new short setup. So we pull the where are we gonna find the next buy zone that we could predict? It's pulling like this again. The extension was fail, second anchor. The extension was fail here. The long extension was fail. It's gonna give us a short opportunity. And targeting 3,748. Okay, and it's confluence with the buy zone on the 0.5 long Fibonacci. Let's see on the RSI. Yeah, just same with BTC. I expect we're gonna have a hidden bullish divergence soon if we're gonna go down. But if the price continue up and breaching the 618 short, then here maybe gonna be good long opportunity. But if they go up without the tracing, it maybe gonna mix the double top and we're gonna go down. Okay, oh yeah, People like this. See, those who longs here targeting 5,400. Okay, and on the daily, those who longs here targeting here, which confluence with the biggest or the weekly long setup was taken at June, and their target has the same. This is confluence. So if someday in future the price goes here, should be careful. Either it's gonna go sell off or they're gonna make it an extension. Okay, let's go to BNB. BNB was really weak though, because it's breaching breaching the 618 before on the weekly, you can see, but still a lot of institution, a lot of algo trader is putting their limit long order here because it's 618. See the week, a lot of buyer there, and where is their target? Where they gonna taking profit? 800. Okay, let's go to the daily. Now this we can call it failed because it's breaching the 618 and it's gonna make a short setup, right? And short setup was failed, breaching the 618. It makes a long setup and it's success. So the bot is long here and taking profit here and blast up the target. It makes an extension. The extension was really defended before. You see the wick here, a lot of trader long here. You can see the wick, but then it fell. When it fell, it makes a new short setup. The same like Ethereum, like Bitcoin. They have same pattern, you know. So it's not random. It's calculated. Now if we pull the second anchor because the extension was failed here, and the next thing we do is pull the second anchor here. Yeah. Those who shorting here should be targeting 472, which confluence with our buy zone, and this where I think I'm gonna buy a lot of BNB, and my stop loss maybe in here. Okay, on the 0.7, but because this is a really bullish candle here, you know, if they breach the 618, it makes the short setup fail and it's gonna give you the long setup. So maybe I'm gonna long here and targeting that. Okay, see the RSI. Yeah, it's same with BTC and Ethereum. Solana, I think it will gonna have same scenario. Yep. Extension and fail. No, the first extension was success. second extension was failed. Pull from the second anchor. Now this should be the next buy zone. If it fail, it's gonna try retest the next buy zone from the extension. Okay. See on the short setup, because the extension was failed here. See the short setup. It was traded and bounce on the 0.5 support. And it's breaching the 618. Whoa, this should be good sign for Solana. Maybe the price will gonna go make something like this. So I think we're gonna trade the Solana soon. I'm gonna put my limit order since it's break the short setup. Yep. Targeting here. Or they just gonna go down again to the 618. Or maybe the third extension of this anchor here. But this should be good opportunity to long since it's breaking the short setup here. Right? The 618 short is broken. Next thing we do is gonna do, at least next thing I'm gonna do is gonna long here soon, maybe. Now here is really difficult. I'm maybe gonna put the order on 618 and my stop loss is gonna be here, the last local low, because it's possible to Solana do the retest here. Yeah, doesn't mean if it breaks like this it failed. No, it in the higher time frame, in the daily, maybe Solana just wanna retest the support here and continue to go high, or not at all, or just gonna go down straight. See the RSI on the daily. It's a hidden bullish divergence though. Higher high, lower high, lower low. Good. Oh man, I missed this opportunity. I should just, I didn't see this coming. Congratulations those who have a long here though. And finally we came to Cardano Morella. I don't really interest in Cardano here since been really being boring market, but yeah, let's go. Well defended here. There's a lot of people buying here. See the wick there. My God. The wick here. And we're gonna pull. Oh wait, it reached the target. That's why this Cardano have a sell off. People who long here taking profit here. Extension was failed because it's not rocket or like blasting up, so the extension of absolutely gonna fail. Next thing we do, oh no, it's breaching the 618 long. This is actually showing a weakness, but still possible to go up. So I think this still good if you want to buy the Cardano, and consider to get out from the market when the 618 cannot hold the price like this. Wait. Oh my god, trading view, come on, like this. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna buy some Cardano too as well. See on the weekly. Weekly seems, yeah, I think we have a chance though to make a hidden bullish divergence and then make the bullish divergence. It's gonna go up and the price action should be like this. Okay, bullish, hidden bulls. I mean bearish divergence here and hidden bullish, probably. Okay, and I think that's it. It really doesn't need like a lot of things to predict the market, you know. We every day learning to make our trading easy to do, not stress about it. So just trade with the bot, trade with the algo. Just don't fight the trend. Okay, I think that's it. If you wanna see more my analysis, especially on Elite Wave, you can join my Discord. I put it on my description. Thank you.